Have you ever wondered what it's like to step into a cozy retreat on a serene, rainy day? Inside, a family huddles by the fireplace, laughter echoing as they play their favorite board game. In the kitchen, a mother and son stir up a pot of delightful soup, the aroma filling the room with warmth. Outside, summer wildflowers visit with a gentle breeze as dreams sway in a hammock under maple trees. With cocoa in hand, stories unfold between friends, creating warmth beyond any gentle season change. Through twinkling lights, the world outside fades into warmth, creating a perfect retreat from the everyday.